In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the double opt-in. I have to admit, this is something that took me a little while to figure out. In the end, I had to contact their support, so I don't want you to go through the struggle that I went through, and I want you to quickly fix this. So when you are inside of System.io and when you're creating your opt-in link, you're going to have something like this, right? The button. Click on the button and click on the settings right here. When you do that, go over to the left-hand side and where it says, do you want to enable double opt-in on this form? You want to make sure that it's not checked, and then you want to just click on add automation rule, whatever it is that you want to do. But make sure that this is not checked, because that's going to create the double opt-in and you probably don't want that, right? So just do that. And if you are new System.io as I am, I'm recording these videos to help my people through it. I am creating a playlist if you want to get a link right below this video, and it's going to give you a lot of things that I've struggled with just to make you move faster in creating your first funnel or a website that you are here to build. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button.